Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Learn Quran and talk to Allah. Change khalaqa into khulika. It is 1, 2, 3 formula or make passive voice. In English language we have learned about passive voice. Learn Quran without grammar. Lesson number 14, passive voice in Arabic language with the change of position of Zamma, Kasra and Fatha. Khalaqa, we have learned khalaqa in 3 Fatha words. Khalaqa mean he created, and if we change its first change Fatha on first letter into Zamma and change Fatha of second letter into Kasra, then it become khuliqa, which means was created by him in passive voice. Qatala into kutila, was killed. Learn Quran without grammar. Lesson number 14. Read it carefully. Passive voice. Remove Fatha and put Zamma on first letter. Second step is remove Fatha and put Kasra on second letter. Kataba into kutiba. Anzala unzila. Khalaqa khulika. Razaka ruzika. Arsala ursila. Kataba mean he wrote. Kutiba was written by him. Next there is some detail. Change the pattern will change the meaning. If we change the pattern of Zamma, Kasra and Fatha, will change the meaning of the word. 3 Fatha and 2 Fatha words mean he did. And all words which have the pattern, first letter has Zamma on it, second letter has Kasra under it, and the third letter has Fatha on it, means was done by him. Examples: khalaqa, to change khalaqa become khulika, and katala change into kutila, sa'ala into su'ila, and qara'a, kuriya, anzara, unzira. There are many examples. Subscribe, like and share my channel.